All right, fellas, I'm out here in the garage. I'm checking out my water softener, make sure everything's okay. Checking out how much salt was in here. I bought a couple bags of the salt for this water softening system, and everything seems to be doing all right. Never had one before, so everything looks good. Thumbs up. Let's get over here, guys. I just got out here in the garage. I had my heater on for about 10 minutes out in the hobby room, and daggone, I haven't been out here in a few days. Let me get in here and shut this door. Keep it, a little bit of this heat in here. Let's do a time and temperature check first. Guys, you look right here. It is 6:30 in the a.m. Yep. And we got it in the hobby room here. It is 53 degrees and the humidity is 40%. So, and it feels pretty good out here. I got an old little electric heater here, and it oscillates back and forth. And it does a pretty good job for in here, and it's showing 54 on there. So it's doing pretty good. Guys, I wanted to give a little update here. Dad got it. I was working on this 50 Austin gasser, and I got sidetracked, had an issue in the house, and in one of the bathrooms, the ceiling, paint was peeling off the ceiling, and I'm thinking it was due to some water damage years ago, so I had to strip that off, and I put a skim coat on it, and then sand it down and hit it with some of that it's like the keels. It's just a paint that you put on that will allow you to put a top coat on, and the stain of the water won't come through. So anyway, I got all that done, and daggone, just got out here and taking a look at where I'm at here. I got a rolling chassis, guys. It's not looking too bad. That fuel injection system that's on there, that's actually a fuel injection system that came off that gentleman right there. I printed one out a long time ago. I printed some different sizes out and had some left over, and it seemed to be the right size because I didn't like the one that came in the kit. I'll tell you what, those tubes didn't want to fit right, those stacks there, so I stuck that one on there. I think it looks pretty good. And I got her wired, guys. I decided to go with the yellow wires. I think that looks pretty good. Daggone body, I did a little work on the body. I cleaned up some of the flash parting lines on the fenders there and things, and I still need to go over this whole body. You can see, let me take this apart here. You can see here on the trunk right here. Let me put it down right in here on both sides. You can see that's still got to be worked. I gotta work on that a little bit, get those lines off there, but that ain't no big deal. You guys know how it is. The front end, I need to get, before I do any painting at all, I need to get these hinges on this front end because it tilts, and then get the hinges for the doors, get the hinges all glued in, get the doors and the hood squared away where they'll operate fine before I do any painting. So I guess that's going to be my next step, is cleaning all this up and getting the hinges installed and making sure everything operates fine, because I'm going to be displaying this one just like I did. Let me see here. Just like I did this 41 Willys. See how everything's open? That's how I'll be displaying this 50 Austin gasser. So I got to get all that done, but daggone, guys, I'm getting there. I'm slow. Seems like every time I start to get a run on this thing, something comes up in the house. We just had the, not just us, probably everybody that's watching this video, the snowstorms that hit all the states. I mean, it was terrible. We got 12.5 inches here, and we were locked down for a few days, and then they came through with the tractors and dug out some of the main streets, and then I got out and shoveled some of the driveway where we could get out, and daggone, if a plow didn't come through and cover my driveway back up, I had to get back out there again and uncover it. But I think we're in the clear now. The main roads are all nice. Everything's looking good, so able to get out. But I need to get out here and get steady on this thing here. I want to show you. I think I had a couple, probably 3 or 4 different cans of paint still new, and I was trying to decide on what color, and I kept looking at the box, and I thought, daggone. And I think, guys, I think I've decided on a color. And if y'all remember a video I put out here a while back, I gave away a 41 Willys body that I had did some tests on, and I used a metallic black on it, and I thought it looked pretty good. So, guys, I think that's what I'm gonna go with on this. This is that, to me, is TS40 metallic black. I think that's what I'm going with on this, and y'all see that there at. I think I'm gonna go with those decals too. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I mean, I need to use up some of the stuff I have on hand instead of keep buying all new stuff. I just need to use some of this stuff I got here. Because, man, I'll tell you what, see? Let's get over and take a look. I got everything all covered up, but I got all these paints down here. A lot of them are new, some are not. And just need to use some of it up. I mean, that's why I bought all that originally. And it's just sitting there. So I'm going to use this stuff up. But guys, I am making progress. I have that rolling chassis, and it's looking pretty good. So I think I'm all set on this. I think it's looking pretty good. And guys, and that, you know, that's the kit engine, except for the injection system. I changed that. And that's the I tell you, that exhaust is kind of funky. I had to, let me show you here. See those exhaust funnels there? It's hard to get those headers and everything in there to fit, because you have to worry about the chassis down here and not hitting the shocks up here, and get it to clear the floor plan and everything. And I had to end up sanding these edges off right there, you can see, which is no big deal. It looks fine, because they were hitting those header funnels there. So anyway, I got her all squared away and looking good. So I think we're ready to go. So like I said, my next step, I think, I need to clean this body up, get the hinges out for the hood and for the doors, and get those lined up in place and get the hinges glued in. Then I think I'll be ready to start shooting some primer on that body. Well, guys, I done kept you long enough. I don't like making these videos too long, because I know you guys get bored just like I do when I'm watching long videos. So I'm gonna end this. Just want to give a little update on the 50 Austin gasser and where I'm at on this sucker. All right, I'm done.